Have you ever wanted to make your Christmas tree spin? Well, I'm going to show you how with this $50 tree spinner on Amazon.
If you want your Christmas tree to spin just like this, stick around to the end to find out how you can win. It's not quite Christmas yet, but I'm keen to open up some presents to see what's inside. You can't have Christmas without an unboxing. So that's what we're doing first up. Out of the box, we find 4 plastic legs, the rotating motor, a power cable, music box, and of course, the instruction manual. As for the Christmas tree we're reviewing, we're taking a look at the ultra slim 500 tip silver tinsel pencil tree from Wellwood. At assembly height, it stands 6 feet tall, and you'll find 24 included ornaments of various colors and sizes. There's a sturdy metal base, but in today's video, we won't be using that. Time to spin things into gear. Now, although it comes with an instruction manual, the truth is, if you needed to put the legs on a Christmas tree, I'd probably also suggest some adult supervision. It's a simple slide and snap into place for the legs into the motorized tree base. You then carefully drop the tree trunk into the hole at the top of the base and secure by gently screwing each of the 3 metal hooks in. Check to see that your tree isn't wobbly or leaning and adjust with the screws to make sure. You'll also need to be within reach of an electric outlet to power the turning motor. Now, for the moment of truth. As you can probably see, the earlier claim of 360-degree rotation was a little bit of an exaggeration. The tree spins around 180 degrees, then turns back for another pass. On the plus side, the tiny music box plays 8 different Christmas Carol favorites. The result is a slowly rotating Christmas tree that doesn't quite do everything it's supposed to. But before we give you our official review to you rating, let's hear from the man with all the holiday cheer.
You're right, Gary, I do have a lot of holiday cheer, but not for this Christmas tree spinner. It's just too noisy, only goes 180 degrees, I'm expecting 360, and it's just kind of cheap and plasticky. But don't worry, I found one that does fit the bill from Decorejoy. It spins 360 degrees. You can see I have it on the tree here. It's super whisper quiet, and it's very well built. That's the one you want to pick up to make your tree spin this year. We're gonna have a link for it down in the description. Merry Christmas. Have fun setting up your tree.
Thank you, Matt. Well, it's compatible with most fake Christmas trees, and it's easy to set up. This tree stand is let down by a noisy, clicky motor, 180-degree only rotation, and no way to attach your lights without a giant tangled mess. We're giving it a humbug 5 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $44.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys next time.